Hey, this will be a video chart on PGIE. Did this one a couple days ago when the chart looked like this, and I don't want to say this chart was easy to call or kind of annotate, but if you go back and watch that video, you will see that it was pretty evident of the key level to watch, which was 004, just based on the previous lows and then previous highs. So I'm not going to get into it, but if you go back and watch the previous video, you'll see why this one was one of the more obvious charts out there, where a nice break of that price level did happen with the close above it, that there would probably be some good follow through. And sure enough, you can see that the price broke above the 0.004 level here on big solid volume, and then from there carried up even more, so well over 100% move since that breakout day there. And to keep things in perspective, let's say you had only gotten 20-30% of this move. Where else in the world can you get 20-30% in a matter of a couple of days? Not a couple of weeks, not a couple of months, a couple of days. So it's one of these where it's hard to argue against the power of charts and just the stock market in general. So let's get up to the chart now, kind of get some updates on it, as I've gotten some more questions and requests on it. Not too much to update, but there are a few things, so that's where I want to go. First thing to update is the new level, kind of must hold, is going to be this purple line here, which is the 50-day simple moving average, right now valued at 0.004. So hopefully that makes sense why. If you're familiar with charting, you would know that the key level of resistance has now turned into support. That's just basic charting. When resistances are broken, they become supports. So 0.004 is going to be the overall level of support that we want to see hold if this chart's going to maintain its kind of integrity and uptrend. Let's just think about that real quick. Let's say the price did fall all the way down here, hovered around a little bit before heading back up. Well, this set of lows is obviously higher than this set. So then when we connect these two lows, we would have the ability, to draw that uptrend line. So that answers pretty much the key question, is 0.004 is the new level of support that we really don't want to see the price fall below. In terms of resistance levels, well, we are now dealing with the 50-day simple moving average's older brother right here. This orange line, the 200-day simple moving average, valued at 0.009, and then on top of that we have a psychological 1 penny resistance level also. So kind of when you put both of these together, I would expect that this level right here is going to be kind of stubborn to get through, like the 004. But we've all seen what happened when the stubborn level finally did fall. So hopefully the same thing happens here. Nothing wrong with what's been going on. Just some consolidation action here. And as long as the support level maintains, a little pullback here on a low volume, that'd be actually healthy for the chart. So if there are some red days, as long as the volume is pretty small and the support level maintains itself, by no means is it anything to go freak out about or anything like that. With a break of the 200-day penny level, the chart really starts to thin out. The next level of resistance wouldn't be until up here at 0.0175, and then after that, it's almost basically a blue sky breakout, as the next level of resistance wouldn't be up here until basically 3 cents. So that is where the chart currently stands. If there are any other questions on it, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook, and with your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from big boards down to penny stocks. So there's a good variety, something for everybody. It is all free. So I'd encourage you to go to the website, sign up, and see what it's all about. One more time, this was PGIE. Thanks for listening.